You won't believe that homegrown purple cabbage can yield as much as field-grown and sometimes even more. Growing purple cabbage at home is not difficult. As long as you plant and fertilize properly, you will have a beautiful purple cabbage garden. Please watch this video of mine. I will guide you through the steps of planting and fertilizing. If you find my videos interesting and meaningful, please like and subscribe to my channel. To get good results from seeds, I choose strong, guaranteed seeds to grow young plants. After finishing the incubation, I will water the soil a little. Watering by spraying will avoid the soil from being washed away, and the seeds will be stuck together, making it difficult for the plant to germinate and grow. I use the discarded milk can to grow purple cabbage. I will use a drill and drill around the can to create drainage and ventilation when growing vegetables. To help plants grow faster, I mix worm castings into the soil to grow vegetables. After a few days of sowing, the seeds have now sprouted and grown into young plants. I will put them in a milk can. After planting, I will water the tree a little to keep it moist for growth. At this stage, the tree has taken root and is growing. I will provide nutrients for the tree, so I will use ong tho milk mixed with water to water the tree. Ong tho milk provides calcium, helping the tree to be stronger and grow better. I removed any weeds that grew inside to prevent them from competing with the vegetables for nutrients, and added soil to the box to help the vegetables stand upright and grow healthier. To provide nutrients for the plant so it doesn't lack nutrients, I put worm castings at the base to help the plant absorb them directly for growth. To prevent stem borers, I mix effervescent tablets with water to water the plants. This is the stage when the plant is in the process of rolling its leaves, so I will add worm castings to the base to help the plant absorb nutrients directly. Fresh milk helps vegetables grow stronger, and fresh milk has high nutritional content to help vegetables grow faster. It's great that my way of planting and fertilizing is very easy to care for, and the yield is very high. Now I will pick some to cook. Purple cabbage is known as a vegetable rich in vitamins A and C. If you find my videos interesting and meaningful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Goodbye and see you again.